Vegas, baby! I finally made it! Dun, 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 dun. Sorry, I was just channeling my inner Sinatra. That's what happens when I come to the world-famous Las Vegas Strip. And right behind me is one of the great old Vegas landmarks, the Riviera Casino. At least what's left of it these days. It's being demolished, and I'm actually here to find out what Terracon has to do with this project. Now, with me today is Terracon Senior Consultant Mitch Reber. Hi, Mitch.
Hello, Bob. Or is it Frank?
No, just Bob. So, what is Terracon doing here?
Well, Terracon is ranked as the #1 asbestos abatement design firm in the nation, and we often get called in to consult on complex sites such as the Riviera, which opened in 1955.
I know generally about asbestos, but exactly what is it?
Asbestos is a naturally occurring mineral that forms in long fibers. However, those fibers can break down to small fibers, even microscopic in size. The fibers are resistant to heat, fire, most chemicals, and don't conduct electricity. And so for many decades, asbestos was mined and used extensively in various industries, such as the automotive industry, but especially construction.
So how's it used in buildings?
Asbestos was placed in over 3,000 building materials historically. You can find it in ceiling tiles, floor tiles, pipe insulations, roof insulations, fireproofings, plasters, and lots of other items you can still buy today.
So, Mitch, what's the problem with asbestos?
There's no problem as long as you maintain the material in good condition. However, if you disturb it or it deteriorates with age, it can release tiny fibers to the air.
And that's bad.
It certainly can be. Those asbestos fibers can be inhaled and then embedded in your lungs, and that can lead to serious, even deadly health issues such as lung cancer and mesothelioma.
So demolishing an old building like the Riviera requires the removal of asbestos before demolition activities begin?
Exactly.
Tell me how you make sure that happens.
Terracon is a one-source solution for all your asbestos consulting needs. We can do everything from the initial investigation to the final air clearance. Our role is to locate the asbestos, make recommendations to the client's project team, provide asbestos removal specifications, then monitor the asbestos removal until the project is complete.
So you don't do the physical removal itself?
No, our role is to identify the asbestos, work with the client in developing the scope of work, assist them in selecting the correct contractor for the job, then monitoring the work.
I've got to think there are a lot of safety precautions with this kind of work.
Absolutely. Terracon's first and foremost priority on every job site is safety. We constantly monitor the air quality, changing conditions, and the site to help keep everybody safe.
You've done a lot of these demolitions.
We've worked on thousands of asbestos-related projects, large and small, but it's not always a demolition. Sometimes we do surveys as part of renovations or as part of the due diligence process for a building sale. Or, in the case of the landmark Candlestick Park redevelopment in San Francisco, we did air sampling to determine if there were any excessive levels of asbestos in the air as a result of disturbing soil and rock. We have worked on numerous asbestos projects involving iconic structures such as St. Louis Arch, Disney World, and Dallas Cowboy Stadium.
Thousands.
Yep, we have about 400 licensed asbestos inspectors working currently in 46 states. We work in every segment of business, such as retail, commercial, industrial, government agencies. And because we work in all these locations, we can help clients fully comply with both the local regulations and the federal standards. Obviously, we get a lot of phone calls.
I'll bet you do, Mitch. Thanks. And now you know who to call on anything asbestos related. Terracon. Or as Frank would say, just give him the old ring-a-ding-ding. For any project, big or small, routine or complex, local or national, Terracon will be the kind of partner you want. Responsive, resourceful, reliable.